So hey guys, so today I have my brother Uday. So basically he got into VCU University of Arts. So he's going far away and I won't be able to see him. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity to bring him into as many videos as I can. Oh, and it's also your birthday, right? Yeah, it's your birthday. So
It is my birthday.
today we're gonna do the sibling tag. So if you don't know what the sibling tag is, basically we have a few questions and we'll be answering them. Yeah.
Yeah. What are the questions?
So who's older?
I don't know, you tell.
Who looks older? I'm the older one. If you were born first, what was your reaction to your new sibling?
She didn't want me.
I'll put a picture of when I carried him for the first time.
And she didn't want me.
Did you get along as children?
No.
No. What is your funniest memory that involves your sibling?
She was on the bed and she was trying to hit me. But then she was stuck on the bed, so I just ran away.
The funniest thing is when he was small, he used to be scared to wake me up.
Yeah, because she was like a devil.
What is your what is your most memorable argument?
Too many to remember.
Yeah, true. What was your last text you sent to your sibling? So basically, all my Instagram stories, all my posts are my photographer is my brother. So he sent me some video which I posted on Instagram. So if you didn't see, then please check it out. What is your favorite thing about your sibling? I'll go first. My favorite thing is that he's very supportive. Though he's the younger one, no one, by the way he acts, no one thinks of it that way.
My favorite thing is she laughs at my jokes.
Are you closer now or when you were younger?
Now.
Obvious. Obvious. Describe your sibling in 3 words or less. Hairy. I would say caring
white.
individual.
White.
Responsible individual. Responsible, caring and hairy.
Laughing, annoying and white.
Racist. Can you remember your sibling's greatest achievement? Yours is you got into VCU.
Yes.
What's mine?
Yours is you got a Women Empowerment Award.
Oh wow. What are things that you're both good at?
Laughing.
He's good at art. Have you ever stolen anything from each other?
She's a girl, so no.
I take all of his clothes.
That's
Don't
not
fit
stealing.
him.
That's not stealing.
But still, okay, fine, no. Do you share a lot with each other? Started. It's not a lot, but we started. Do you get along with your siblings' friends? I talk better with his friends than he does. Do you have nicknames for each other?
You have what?
Nicknames for each other. Nicknames.
I call her Mango Tree. What do you call me?
Uday Uncle. Because all the kids call him Uncle. And everyone calls me Didi. What was your sibling's favorite food?
Everything.
What is one physical trait your sibling has that you wished you had?
Of course, my beard.
Fine. His beard. Which one is the daddy's boy or girl? What is the weirdest habit your sibling has?
She laughs at everything.
Fine.
What is the weirdest habit I have? She lives up to her name.
Yeah.
Weirdest habit. I'm too normal, you know. I'm not weird like her.
I'll get back to you.
Laughing was so bad.
Who is the most money conscious sibling? Me.
You give me money, I spend it. Mostly on food.
What is the dumbest decision your sibling has ever made? Bye. What would you guess your sibling's dream job is? I would say his is somewhere along the arts.
McDonald's cashier.
Seriously?
Maybe a writer. Maybe.
So he has an Instagram page called Mr. SD. He posts every single day. So if you haven't, then please check it out. Have you conspired to keep any secrets from your parents? If so, then what were they? If it's a secret, why would we tell you? If your brother was a dog, what breed would they be? He'd be the hairiest one. Which one is that?
I think a black Labrador. Or a German Shepherd. Black German Shepherd.
That's you.
Nene.
Oh, you.
Me. You would be a poodle or something.
We have a retriever. What is the best gift you have ever given? I would say it's the painting.
Yes, sir.
Painting. See.
Well, I got a frame of our photo from her.
I'll insert the picture.
From her first salad. So, good stuff.
The end. If you like this video, please like and comment and please subscribe. If you want my brother and more videos,
oh, no.
please like.